Hi guys, welcome back to Raj Think. Can you guess the fast food logo by Emoji? Let's play this challenge with your friends. Let's get started. First question, can you guess fast food logo by these emoji? This is Burger King. Find the odd pizza slice. Yes, it's here. I think know this one. Domino's, of course. Test your memory. Remember the position of this fast food. Where was the pizza? Yes, the pizza number 3. Find the odd burger. Great odd burger is here. Which one is the real logo? You are right, it's A. Guess the name of this fast food logo. Amazing Olive Garden. This one is very popular, can you guess? Awesome McDonald's. What about this emoji? Starbucks, great job. I think you know this one. Right, this is Panda Express. What's your answer? This is KFC. Can you guess the hidden fast food? Time's up, it's pizza. Which fast food logo could this pick? You got it, Subway. Can you guess the brand? Pizza Hut. Can you find odd KFC logo? Wow, it's here. Try the guess. Mr. Beast Burger. Find the odd Burger King logo. Awesome. This one is other. This fast food logo, can you guesses? Dunkin' Donuts. And this one. It's Church's Chicken. Do you have any ideas? Firehouse Subs. Question 21. This is Smoothie King, very excellent. What about these emoji? Applebee's? Find the odd Starbucks logo. Right, this one is other. Can you tell me which logo this is? Of course, Taco Time. What logos is this? Wingstop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for fun. Quizzes like this. See you the next videos.